Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Monkey disease claims another life in Sattari. Jayashree Gaukar dies suffering from KFD. Villagers panic as death toll in Sattari rises to 7. Congress, BJP rebels spoil game for Babush. BJP rebels would have won BJP 17 seats. Absence of Congress would have taken Babush's tally to 21. Nakeri Betul villagers to hold day-long hunger strike. Demand notice of Defence Expo organisers. Panchayat served ultimatum. Up likely to contest Goa Assembly election. Goans want fresh political options, says Ashutosh. Up not to align with any party if it enters fray. And last year's runners-up, Indian Overseas Bank cruises to second consecutive victory at 30th Federation Cup. Haryana's Bhavani Club back to winning ways. Now the news in details. Monkey disease has claimed another life in Maushi at Desai Wado in Sattari. Jayashree Gaukar, age 66, dies while undergoing treatment in the GMC. Villagers are panicked as death toll due to KFD is on the rise. Walpoi MLA has blamed government for neglecting villagers and KFD disease cases in Sattari. Jayashree is the 7th patient to die suffering from the monkey disease.
Jayashree Gaukar died on Monday due to monkey disease. She had symptoms like Casimir forest disease. From past many days, she had fever and was vomiting with loose motions too.
Patient आमच्याकडे 2 तारखेक ॲडमिट जाली ती वाळपय आनी तिका इवन स्पेशल डॉक्टर एज अ फिजिशियन येता पळय ताणें पळयल्लें आनी तिचे जे सिम्पटम्स जे आसा पळय ते इम्प्रूव जायनासले आनी तिचे इवन जे ब्लड काउंट्स म्हणून आसा जे आमचे टेस्ट करता पळय ते बीन तितूनय चेंजीस चड दाखयनासले म्हणून मागीर 7 तारखेक तिका रेफर केल्लें GMC. तशी KFD पॉझिटिव्ह आयिल्ली आनी ती KFD केस म्हणूनच GMCन रेफर केल्ली आनी काल इवनिंग सांजच्या वेळार तिका फीट मारून आयली आनी तेन्ना तिका कार्डियाक एरेस्ट जावन डेथ जाली.
म्हणजे डेथ KFD खातीरच जालें.
आतां तुमकां डॉक्टरांनी कितें सांगलां, कित्याक लागून ताप कसलो कितें सांगलां?
खंय थिसर कांय ना. थिसर ती काल ही जाली न्हू वांगडाच आमी तिका भायर काडली आनी घेवन येले.
Local MLA is furious with deaths due to monkey disease. He blamed government for neglecting the menace and people in Sattari.
आमचो लोक मरता सत्तरीन आनी फुडल्या फावट आमी त्या बॉडीचे आमी अंतिम क्रिया करचे ना. आमी बॉडी घेवन सत्तरीचे 5 ते 10 हजार लोक आमी माननीय मंत्रीच्या घरा वचून आमी बसतले जो पर्यंत तेजे लक्षांत वचना की कितें आनी पावलां घेवंक जाय हे नियंत्रणान हाडपाक. आनी हांव एक वॉर्निंग दिवंक सोदता मिनिस्टराक की आमकां ग्रांटेड घेवं नाका सत्तरीच्या लोकांक.
Till now, the death toll due to monkey disease has touched 7. First person tested positive of KFD was from Pali Sattari. Till date, 131 patients have been tested positive for the Casimir forest disease. The disease has crossed the borders of Sattari and has reached Darbandada. But government seems not serious on the KFD cases. At times, government calls it monkey disease and sometimes that due to old age. Neither a remedy to the monkey menace nor any control on the monkey disease. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress party and BJP's rebels spoiled the game of Babush and BJP for the CCP elections. If Congress had not to contest, Babush may have won 21 seats, and if BJP had to take care of its rebels, then BJP would have won at least 17 seats. BJP's rebels defeated one candidate of BJP. 3 candidates won on Babush's panel.
Congress posed a major hurdle to Babush, then BJP, in the CCP poll. Congress's candidates at an extent hampered the voting percentage of Babush's candidates, or else Babush would have achieved his dream figure of 21. Ward number 12, Manoj Patil lost votes of 47, Congress votes 87. Ward number 16, Harish Kunkalkar lost with 117 votes, Congress got 137 votes. Ward number 25, Salil Naik lost with 29 votes. Congress got votes of 62. Ward number 30, Vivina Nasnodkar lost with 33 votes. Congress fetched 57 votes. It would have been 17 plus 4 is equal to total 21 seats. 6 rebels of BJP contested against the BJP. With this, BJP lost 1 seat, or else BJP would have won 14 seats. Ward number 28, Suresh Choprekar lost with 50 votes. Rebel Tushar Turaskar got 68 votes. That gives us 13 plus 1 is equal to 14 seats. 6 BJP rebels joined hands with Babush as BJP denied tickets to them, out of which 3 won, or else BJP would have got total 17 seats. 13 present, BJP's rebel won and this 3. Ward number 7, Rahul Lotlikar 80 votes. Ward number 22, Asmita Kerkar 6 votes. And Ward number 23, Manisha Manerkar with 171 votes. Importantly, BJP has lost its 374 votes for these elections. However, Congress successfully hampered almost 634 votes of Babush's panel. Now all eyes are set on the forthcoming assembly election. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Villagers of Nakeri Betul have threatened of hunger strike on Friday if the Panchayat doesn't issue show cause notice to the organizers of Defence Expo. On Thursday, they served an ultimatum to the clerk of Betul Panchayat. The Sarpanch and secretary were not found in the office. Villagers have decided to hold a day-long hunger strike in the Panchayat premises. The villagers suspect Panchayat to be hand in gloves with the government in the Expo episode.
सगळे लोकांनी मिटींग घेऊन ठरयले ग्रामसभा मिटींग जाल्यार 6 तारखेर जाल्ली आनी आयज बसून पंचायतीन तांकां शो कॉज नोटीस इश्यू करूना म्हूण आज आमी पंचायतीन सेक्रेटरीक आनी पंचायत सरपंचा मेळपा आयिल्ले पूण सेक्रेटरी ना आनी सरपंचय ना थोडो लोक गेलो पोतून ना म्हणून पूण आज लोकांनी डिसिजन घेतला की आमी तांकां आज सांजची सुद्दां टायम दिला की तांणी ही शो कॉज नोटीस इश्यू करची आनी इश्यू करना जाल्यार फालच्यान सकाळची 10 वरांचेसून लोक पंचायतीक हंगर स्ट्रायकाचे बसतले ग्रामसभेचे आमी डिसिजन घेतले की शो कॉज नोटीस इश्यू करपा म्हणून डिफेन्स एक्सपो तेच भाशेन GIDCक आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे कोण काम करता ते
आमकां आयज सांजे पसून कांय जबाबदार पंचायतीचे मेळना आमी सगळे आख्खो गांवचो लोक हिंगा हंगर स्ट्रायका बसतले कित्याक आमी आतां हे सगळ्याचे बेजारल्या सरकाराचेरय बेजार आयल्या आनी पंचायतीक संडेच्यान आज 4 दीस जाले आयज पासून आमकां कांय जबाब मेळना कित्याक मेळना तोय मेळना रिजनूय मेळना कित्याक लागून काडना ती कोण सांगपा ना.
The villagers also raised concern about the Bali Bridge. The bridge is claimed to have grown weak with the heavyweight vehicles passing over the bridge. The bridge is more than 15 years old and have developed cracks. Savya Das for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.